Good day everyone, my name is Jane Cortez Gaguan and I'm here to present to you our topic Chapter 7 Software Development. So we are the objectives. Why do companies require high quality software in business systems, industrial process control systems, and consumer products? What ethical issues do software manufacturers face in making trade-offs between project schedules, project costs, and software quality? What are the four most common types of software product liability claims, and what actions must plaintiffs and defendants take to be successful? What are the essential components of a software development methodology, and what are its benefits? How can capability maturity model integration improve an organization's software development process? What is a safety critical system, and what actions are required during its development? Strategies to engineer quality software. High-quality software systems operate safely and dependably, have a high degree of availability required to support the fields of air traffic control, nuclear power, automobile safety, healthcare, military and defense, space exploration. More and more users are demanding high-quality software. Software defect could cause a system to fail to meet users' needs. Impact may be trivial or very serious. Patches may contain defects. Software quality, degree to which software meets the needs of users. In quality management, how to define, measure, and refine the quality of the development process and products. Objective, help developers deliver high-quality systems that meet the needs of users. Deliverables, products such as statements of requirements, flowcharts, user documentation. Primary cause for poor software quality. Developers do not know how to design quality into software or do not take the time to do so. Developers must define and follow a set of rigorous engineering principles, learn from past mistakes, understand the environment in which systems operate, design systems relatively immune to human error. Programmers make mistakes in turning design specifications into code, about one defect for every 10 lines of code. Pressure to reduce time to market. First release, organizations avoid buying the first release, or prohibit its use in critical systems, usually has many defects. Here are the importance of software quality. Business information systems are a set of interrelated components, including hardware, software, databases, networks, people, and procedures.
The importance of software quality. Business information system examples. Order processing system. Electronic funds transfer system. Airlines online ticket reservation system. Decision support system or DSS. Used to improve decision making. Software for industrial use. Software controls the operation of many industrial and consumer products. Mismanaged software can be fatal to a business. Ethical questions. How much effort and money to invest to ensure high-quality software? Whether products could cause damage, legal exposure if they did. Product liability. Liability of manufacturers, sellers, lessors, and others for injuries caused by defective products. There is no federal product liability law, mainly state law, Article 2 of the Uniform Commercial Code. Strict liability. Defendant held responsible for the injury, regardless of negligence or intent. Strict liability. Plaintiff must prove only that the software product is defective or unreasonably dangerous and that the defect caused the injury. No requirement to prove that the manufacturer was careless or negligent, or to prove who caused the defect. All parties in the chain of distribution are liable. Legal defenses used against strict liability. Doctrine of supervening event. Government contractor defense. Expired statute of limitations. Negligence. A supplier is not held responsible for every product defect that causes a customer or third party loss. Responsibility is limited to defects that could have been detected and corrected through reasonable software development practices. Warranty assures buyers or lessors that a product meets certain standards of quality, expressly stated, implied by law. Breach of warranty claim. Plaintiff must have a valid contract that the supplier did not fulfill. Can be extremely difficult to prove because the software supplier writes the warranty. Intentional misrepresentation. Seller or lessor either misrepresents the quality of a product or conceals a defect in it. Forms of representation: advertising, salesperson comments, invoices, shipping labels.
Software development process. Large software project roles, system analysts, programmers, architects, database specialists, project managers, documentation specialists, trainers, and testers. Software development process. Software development methodology, work process, controlled and orderly progress, defines activities and individual group responsibilities. Recommended specific techniques of accomplish various activities. Offers guidelines for managing the quality of software during various stages of development. Software development process further safer and cheaper to avoid software problems at the beginning than to attempt to fix damages after the fact. Identify and remove errors early in the development process. Cost saving measure. Most efficient way to improve software quality. Software development process. Effective methodology. Reduces the number of software errors that might occur. If an organization follows widely accepted development methods, negligence on its part is harder to prove. Software quality assurance, or QA, refers to methods within the development cycle. Guarantee reliable operation of product, ideally applied to each stage throughout the development cycle. Software development process, system testing. After successful integration testing, various subsystems are combined. Thus, the entire system are as a complete entity. User acceptance testing. Independent testing performed by trained end user ensure that the system operates as this expect. Capability maturity model integration for software. Process improvement approach defined by the Software Engineering Institute at the Carnegie Mellon University in Pittsburgh. Define essential elements of effective process, general enough to evaluate and improve almost any process, frequently used to assess software development practice. Development of safety critical system. Critical system failure may cause injury of death. Examples: automobile, anti-lock brake, nuclear power plant reactor, airplane navigation, roller coaster, elevator, and medical devices.
Risk, probability of an undesirable event occurring times the magnitude of the event's consequences if it does happen. Consequences include damage of property, loss of money, injury to people, and death. Next is redundancy. Redundancy, provision of multiple interchangeable components to perform a single function in order to cope with failures and errors. Next is inversion programming. Form of redundancy involves the execution of the service of program instructions simultaneously by two different systems, uses different algorithms to execute instructions that accomplish the same result. Next is ISO 9000 Standard, Guide to Quality Products, Services, and Management. Organization must submit to an examination by an external assessors. Requirements. Written procedures for everything it does. Follow those procedures. Prove to the auditor the organization fulfilled the first two requirements. Next is summary. More and more users are demanding high-quality software. Software product liability claims are frequently based on strict liability, negligence, breach of warranty, and misrepresentation. Next is Software Development Methodology, CMMI. Defines activities in the software development process. Next is defines individual and group responsibilities. Next, recommends specific techniques, offer guidelines for managing the quality of products. CMMI defines 5 levels of software development maturity. Next is safety critical system. Failure may cause injury or death. That's all. Thank you.